Stop competing for overpriced, move-in-ready homes, and start looking at the ugly house on the block that everyone else is ignoring. In 2026, the FHA 203K loan has become the ultimate secret weapon, allowing you to finance both the purchase and up to $75,000 in renovations with one single mortgage. Most buyers think they need a separate high-interest construction loan, but this program lets you roll everything into one low-rate payment with just 3.5% down. Whether the house needs a new roof, a modern kitchen, or updated energy-efficient windows, the bank will lend you the money based on the home's future value after the work is done. This means you can create instant equity by buying a distressed property at a discount and choosing your own finishes instead of paying a premium for someone else's taste. For minor cosmetic updates, the limited 203K offers a streamlined process with less paperwork and no requirement for a professional, a HUD consultant. If you find a home with major structural issues, the standard 203K has no maximum repair limit, allowing you to literally rebuild a house from the ground up. Don't let a dated interior scare you away from your dream neighborhood. Let's use the 203K hack to build the perfect home while your neighbors are still stuck in a bidding war.